Question number 3 says, the 4 tires of an automobile are inflated to a gauge pressure of 2.3 times 10 to the 5th pascals. Each tire has an area of 0.024 meters squared in contact with the ground. Determine the weight of the automobile. The equation for pressure is that the pressure average is going to be equal to the force over the area. And now this is the same as for density, where we have the density as averaged from the mass over the volume. And the reason these two are average is because, for example, if you have something that's part gold, part copper, when you have two different materials, the density at each point of those materials is going to be different, but the average density on whole is going to be the overall mass of it divided by the overall volume of it. And so that's why it's an average. And so in this same situation, the average pressure is going to be the force. So if there's different forces at different places, the pressure will equal out to be the average. And so the force divided by the surface area is the pressure. And so we're going to solve for the pressure, or solve for the force rather, so that we can get a weight. It's asking for the weight of the car, which is in newtons, and newton is a force measure. So we're going to multiply, and we'll get that the force is equal to the pressure times the area. And we're given the pressure is 2.3 times 10 to the 5th pascals, which is that's equal to 230,000 pascals, and it gives us the area of each individual tire. So we got to multiply that by 4 because we have 4 tires touching the ground. We want the total surface area touching the ground for all 4 of these tires. So we can plug all of those numbers into our equation, which is pressure times area equals force. So we have this actually needs another 0 in it, 230,000 times the 4 tires, 0.096 cubic meters, and then we get our answer is 22,080 newtons.